Hi, welcome on my news course on Microsoft 365 Defender. I'm so happy and excited to show you this fantastic product. Security View Microsoft 365 Defender. We'll see how to manage incident and alert. We'll see the story of an alert. We'll see, of course, all the alert that you have. We'll see how to do hunting with the very powerful Crystal Query Language, QQL. We'll see also the action and submission. We'll talk about Threat Analytics, the Secure Score. We'll talk about Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. We'll see all the devices, how to onboard my device. We'll see how to onboard it via script and also the other solution to onboard your device. We'll see Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. After that, I will show you the fantastic power of Microsoft Defender for Office 365. So we'll see the policy, we'll see a lot of policy, like for example, my free policies, and we'll see anti-phishing, anti-spam, anti-malware, safe attachment, and safe link. We'll cover also what is Cloud Apps, an overview of Cloud Apps, and we'll see also the setting that you can have, the report audit, and the permission and the setting of Microsoft 365 Defender. So, through more than 8 hours of lab and slide, you will be ready to pass the SC200 exam. And in this training, I will show you also some examples that you will have the day after exam. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye. Ciao.